Parrot's channel.
Polly, the parrot so bright and green, with feathers that shimmer and always gleam. She squawks and she chatters all through the day, repeating the words that we all say. Hello, she chirps with a happy cheer, her voice so sweet we all love to hear. She flies in circles so high and free, a rainbow of colors for all to see. Polly, the parrot, our little friend, her joyful songs never seem to end. She brings us laughter, she brings us cheer. We're so glad that Polly is always near. This poem can help kids appreciate the beauty and fun of parrots, while also encouraging them to think about the sounds and colors that make parrots so special. Polly, the parrot so bright and green, with feathers that shimmer and always gleam. She squawks and she chatters all through the day, repeating the words that we all.
Thanks for watching.